The prescriptive designs that are in FEMA 320 or for the most part use materials and construction processes that are common to the building industry. And that's intentional because we did not want to introduce some exotic concept that would, say, have a higher price tag or be totally unfamiliar with residential construction contractors. And that still is true today. However, now manufacturers have indeed innovated and have products that were not available to us earlier. For example, let me back up a little bit and talk about one of the concepts, the plywood concept. We started multiple layers of plywood. 2, that's not enough. Add another 3, that's not enough. Added a 4th layer, and we thought that would do the job. And yet that makes an awfully thick wall with 4 layers of 3/4 inch plywood. So we said, look, it would be better to use 2 layers of plywood and a steel sheet to stop the debris. So that's what the current concept is, current design is. Now some producers have produced that steel plate is heavy. It's hard to handle and hard to machine. So some innovative people came up with a laminate that substitutes for the steel plate, and it's machinable and much more friendly to the user. So that kind of innovation has occurred, but for the most part, you're correct that the designs published in FEMA 320 utilize materials that are and processes that are familiar to the home builder and to the manufacturer, and that's intentional. And so one experienced in construction who can read blueprints should be able to construct an above-ground storm shelter as per FEMA 320. Now there are a multitude, and I would guess that a much higher percentage of the shelters being installed today are manufactured products, concrete boxes, steel boxes that are located in various places. There's even one that locates underneath the slab. That is, you go into the garage, cut out a section of the slab, excavate, put a shelter under there, and put a sliding door on it that provides safety, and you don't even lose a parking space. So there seems to me there's a solution available for just about every challenge today, and many concepts of shelters are available.